Formula One cars are not just racing machines, they are the most advanced technology laboratories on wheels. Every single part of an F1 car is engineered for one purpose only: extreme speed, control, and efficiency. Today, we're breaking down an F1 car completely, from the cockpit interior to the aerodynamic exterior and the ultra-high-performance wheels. The exterior of an F1 car is designed around aerodynamics, not beauty, yet it looks stunning. The front wing is one of the most critical parts. It controls airflow, increases front-end downforce, and directs air around the wheels. Tiny adjustments here can change lap times by tenths of a second. The nose is long, narrow, and ultralight. It channels airflow under the car and into the floor to maximize ground effect. Modern F1 sidepods are aggressively sculpted. They cool the engine, hybrid systems, and electronics while shaping airflow toward the rear diffuser. Floor is where the real magic happens. Using ground effect aerodynamics, the car literally gets sucked to the track, creating massive grip without increasing drag. The rear wing provides stability at extreme speeds. With DRS drag reduction system, the wing opens on straights to reduce drag and boost top speed. The entire body is made from carbon fiber, making it insanely strong yet extremely lightweight. There is no luxury inside an F1 car, only function and survival. The driver sits in a reclined position, almost lying down. This lowers the center of gravity and improves aerodynamics. The steering wheel is a supercomputer. Over 20 buttons and rotary switches controls for engine modes, energy recovery, brake balance, differential, and radio, a digital display showing speed, gear, lap delta, and system warnings. Each steering wheel costs tens of thousands of dollars. The seat is custom, molded for each driver's body. It's ultra thin but designed to protect the driver under extreme G-forces. The halo is a titanium safety structure around the cockpit. It has saved multiple lives and can withstand the weight of a bus. Pedals are adjustable and positioned extremely close. Precision matters, even 1 mm can change braking performance. Modern F1 cars use 1.6-liter V6 turbo hybrid engines. Combined power exceeds 1,000 horsepower. MGU-K recovers energy from braking. MGU-H recovers energy from turbo heat. This energy is stored in advanced batteries and redeployed instantly. F1 engines are among the most efficient engines in the world, converting more than 50% of fuel energy into power. F1 wheels may look simple, but they're incredibly advanced. 18-inch lightweight wheels designed to handle extreme heat and forces, optimized for airflow and brake cooling, provided by Pirelli. F1 tires come in multiple compounds: soft maximum grip, high wear, medium balanced performance, hard low wear, less grip. Wet and intermediate tires are used for rain conditions. Tires only work in a very narrow temperature range. Drivers push aggressively just to keep tires alive. F1 cars use carbon brakes capable of stopping a car from 300 km/h in seconds. Extremely stiff suspension keeps the car stable at insane speeds while maintaining tire contact. Advanced telemetry sends real-time data to engineers, monitoring hundreds of parameters per second. An F1 car is faster than fighter jets at takeoff speeds, more advanced than most road cars, combined a perfect balance of physics, engineering, and human skill. This is not just racing, this is engineering at its absolute limit. If you enjoyed this full F1 car breakdown, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Tell us which part of the F1 car impressed you the most: interior tech, aerodynamics, or pure speed.